Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P061B stands for Powertrain Control Module, PCM, internal malfunction related to torque calculation in the Honda Accord 2023 and later models. It's crucial to understand that the PCM is an integral component of the vehicle's powertrain, responsible for managing various engine functions and ensuring optimal performance. When this code is triggered, it indicates that the PCM has detected an abnormality within itself and has stored this error code for diagnostic purposes. This could result in degraded vehicle performance or unexpected behavior. Identifying and addressing issues related to the PCM is essential for maintaining the overall functionality and safety of the vehicle. A proper troubleshooting guide will help in diagnosing and rectifying the PCM issues accurately. The error description for DTC P061B points to a malfunction within the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM is tasked with torque calculation, among other critical functions, and a failure here can affect how the engine operates. Located usually in the engine compartment, the PCM is a sealed unit that contains the electronic control functions of the vehicle's powertrain. A malfunction in this module can cause various issues ranging from engine misfires to poor fuel efficiency. Moreover, since the PCM is integral for monitoring parameters like engine speed and accelerator pedal position, APP, sensor input, a failure can lead to improper readings and malfunctions. If the PCM is indeed at fault, it may need to be replaced to ensure proper vehicle operation. The potential causes for this DTC P061B primarily include a faulty powertrain control module. If the PCM is malfunctioning, it can miscalculate essential parameters such as torque. Another possible cause could be corroded connectors that might lead to poor connectivity and erratic sensor readings. Short circuits in wiring can also hinder the PCM's ability to function accurately, triggering this DTC. Each of these issues can create a chain reaction that disrupts the vehicle's performance. Thoroughly inspecting these components is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Understanding these causes will help in methodically isolating the underlying problem and resolving it efficiently. Symptoms associated with DTC P061B can significantly impact driving experience. One primary indication is poor engine performance, which can manifest as hesitation or stalling while driving. Additionally, operators may notice increased fuel consumption, suggesting inefficiencies in the engine's operation. Often, warning lights on the dashboard may also activate in response to this error code, alerting the driver that there is an issue needing attention. Identifying these symptoms early on is essential, as they can lead to more significant problems if not addressed promptly. Understanding how DTC P061B affects performance helps drivers recognize the importance of timely diagnostics and repairs. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P061B, the vehicle diagnostic history must be carefully reviewed. This includes looking for any stored DTCs that could be related or indicative of other underlying issues. Before proceeding, it is crucial to confirm that DTC P061B is indeed the active code. This ensures that time is not wasted on unrelated errors. If no other codes are present, it further narrows down the focus to issues specifically localized to the PCM. Also, a review of the vehicle's service history may reveal recurring patterns of failure that also warrant attention. Performing this initial check builds a strong foundation for more targeted troubleshooting steps. The next step involves conducting a test drive to assess the vehicle's performance under monitored parameters. During this process, engine speed must be recorded carefully, as it can provide insight into how well the powertrain components are functioning. The accelerator pedal position, APP sensor data, should be evaluated to ascertain if it's sending appropriate signals to the PCM. If discrepancies are noted between expected and actual values, it could indicate either a failing APP sensor or issues with the PCM itself. This live data is valuable for diagnosing the root cause of the DTC and correlates directly with the symptoms displayed in earlier observations. The test drive will help confirm operational integrity before further invasive diagnostics are conducted. Final repair verification is crucial to confirm the success of any corrective actions taken regarding DTC P061B. After making necessary repairs, the next step is to clear the DTC from the vehicle's onboard diagnostics. Following this, it's essential to retest the vehicle by taking it for another drive, observing the conditions under which the DTC originally surfaced. This helps in ensuring that the solution applied was effective and that the original issues do not resurface. Continuous monitoring will allow the technician to assure that the vehicle is performing optimally post-repair. Ultimately, this step finalizes the diagnostic procedure, guaranteeing that the powertrain and PCM are functioning harmoniously. Preventive maintenance plays a key role in avoiding issues like DTC P061B in the future. Regular inspections of the Powertrain Control Module can help identify potential issues before they escalate into malfunctions. Additionally, checking wiring and connectors for signs of wear or corrosion can prevent connectivity problems that might lead to erroneous readings and error codes. Ensuring that all fluid levels, particularly engine oil and coolant, are maintained at appropriate levels can also help keep the engine and its components, including the PCM, functioning smoothly. Moreover, adhering to the manufacturer's prescribed service intervals will help in maintaining overall vehicle health. A proactive approach to these aspects ensures long-term functionality, enhancing both performance and reliability. In conclusion, DTC P061B signals an internal malfunction with the Powertrain Control Module, necessitating prompt and thorough troubleshooting. From diagnosing possible causes to implementing corrective actions, understanding this process is vital for maintaining vehicle performance. Effective troubleshooting steps, ranging from reviewing diagnostic history to verifying repairs, are essential in resolving issues with the PCM. Additionally, continuous preventive maintenance practices can ensure that the vehicle remains in top condition, reducing the risk of future DTC occurrences. Ultimately, staying proactive about these potential issues not only enhances performance, but also improves the overall driving experience in the Honda Accord 2023 and beyond. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.